Hello students, in this lecture 2 we are going to start from this chapter kinds of quadrilateral or you can say types of quadrilateral kinds of quadrilateral. So see here how many types of quadrilateral. First is trapezium. First type of quadrilateral is trapezium. Second is parallelogram. Third is rectangle. Fourth is square with a rhombus. Then a square, and last kite. There are 6 types of quadrilateral. Okay. Now we explain each and every. First of all, take trapezium. What is trapezium? Can you define trapezium? Trapezium. A quadrilateral, having one pair of opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. A quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called trapezium. Example, कोई एक पेयर, for example this, in this which pair of opposite sides are parallel? Top and bottom. These two sides which are opposite sides and these are parallel. So it is trapezium. If one pair of opposite sides parallel, then it is trapezium. Now, can you say it is a trapezium? In this parallel to this and this parallel to this. So can you say it is a trapezium?
No.
Why not? What is your definition telling? Definition is telling a quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides parallel. One pair, जिस quadrilateral का one pair, एक pair opposite sides parallel हो, that is trapezium. क्या इसका एक pair opposite side parallel नहीं है? दूसरे पेयर के बारे में नहीं कह रहा है, वो क्या है? अदर पेयर के बारे में, अदर पेयर ऑफ opposite side के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा जा रहा है. सिर्फ कहा जा रहा है कि one pair of opposite sides parallel is called trapezium. So, since this has one pair of opposite sides parallel, so it may be trapezium. In this, is it a trapezium? Yes. One pair of opposite sides parallel. This parallel to this. It has other pair of opposite sides also parallel, but it is extra. But question is, this definition is telling a quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides parallel is called trapezium. So it has one pair of opposite sides parallel. If I ask you, all the students having 2 rupees can come to me and go to market. The students having 2 rupees in pocket may go market with me. Then suppose a student has 5 rupees. Will he go to market or not? Yes. He will go market. In the same way, question is telling, definition is telling, a quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides parallel is called trapezium. So it has both pair of opposite sides parallel. So will it be parallel in trapezium or not? Yes, because this criteria fulfill in this one pair of opposite sides parallel. It has also one pair of opposite sides parallel. So it is a trapezium. So all are trapezium. A square is also trapezium. Rhombus is also trapezium. All are trapezium. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, next is parallelogram. Parallelogram. What is parallelogram? A quadrilateral having both pair of opposite sides parallel. A quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides, a quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides parallel is called a parallelogram. What did you understand? In this, हम एक ऐसा quadrilateral बनाएंगे in which both pair of opposite sides parallel. This parallel to this. These two are the opposite sides, and these two opposite sides are also parallel. So this is parallelogram. A quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is such type of in which both pair of opposite sides parallel. There are two pairs, the first pair and second pair, both pair of opposite sides parallel. In this, also this parallel to this and this parallel to this. Can we say it is a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes, it is also parallelogram. Why? Because both pairs of opposite sides parallel. Can you say it is a parallelogram? This parallel to this parallel to this. Can you say it is a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Suppose this is a square. So this parallel to this and this parallel to this. Can you say it is a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Only this reason you will say. So what is the definition of parallelogram? A quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides. Opposite sides, it is that. Opposite sides. If somewhere mistake, then you can say a quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides parallel is called a parallelogram. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, rectangle. What is rectangle? What is rectangle? Rectangle. The definition of rectangle will start from parallelogram. If you know the parallelogram, then you can define rectangle. Because a parallelogram ही बनता है rectangle. So we will define here a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree is called a rectangle. अब कहोगे कि सर वन एंगल 90 डिग्री ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम बनाएं जिसका एक एंगल 90 हो तो रेक्टेंगल कैसे हो जाएगा? हो जाएगा। पहले तो पैरेललोग्राम होना चाहिए,
yes,
और किसी भी इसी पैरेललोग्राम को अगर इसको 90 डिग्री बनाओगे, इसको जैसे ही 90 डिग्री बनाओगे तो ऑटोमेटिक अदर 3 अपने आप 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसको 90 बनाने के लिए साइड को इधर खींचेंगे, तो जब इसको खींचेंगे तो बाकी ये सभी इधर आ जाएगा। दैट मीन्स इट बिकम्स ऑटोमेटिकली 90 डिग्री। सो इफ वन एंगल इज 90 then other will be automatically 90 because it is parallelogram. So definition is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degree is called rectangle. So it is a rectangle. Can you say it is also rectangle? Is it a rectangle?
yes,
Yes, because it is a parallelogram. पहले ये parallelogram है और इसका ये 90 डिग्री होगी, दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, सो इट इज ऑल्सो रेक्टेंगल, बोथ आर रेक्टेंगल. नाउ द डेफिनेशन इज rhombus. What is rhombus? The definition of rhombus starts from same parallelogram. We will start the definition taking parallelogram. If you know parallelogram, then you can understand rhombus. What is rhombus? A parallelogram, we will define a parallelogram. A parallelogram having all sides equal, is called a rhombus. ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम बनाओ, ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम, ये पैरेललोग्राम, ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम जिसका ऑल साइड्स इक्वल, तो ऑल साइड्स इक्वल में ये भी है और ये भी है, ये दोनों को हम बोलेंगे रोम्बस. ये भी रोम्बस में आ जाएगा, ये भी रोम्बस में आ जाएगा. तो प्योर रोम्बस यही है. इसमें रोम्बस के अलावा दूसरी क्वालिटी भी है, इसमें प्योर सिर्फ रोम्बस की क्वालिटी है. सो ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम हमने बनाया जिसका ऑल साइड इक्वल हो गया. So it is a ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम बनाया जिसका ऑल साइड इक्वल, दैट मींस दिस पैरेलल टू दिस और दिस पैरेलल टू दिस. पहले तो हमने अपोजिट साइड पैरेलल बनाया जिसके कारण पैरेललोग्राम हुआ, और ऑल साइड्स इक्वल, दिस इक्वल टू दिस इक्वल टू दिस इक्वल टू दिस, ऑल साइड्स इक्वल. सो इट इज ए रोम्बस. रोम्बस के कैटेगरी में एक और आएगा, ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम जिसका ऑल साइड इक्वल हो, तो इसमें भी वो जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो चीज़ इसमें भी है, पैरेललोग्राम भी है और ऑल साइड्स इक्वल भी है. पैरेललोग्राम, दिस पैरेलल टू दिस एंड दिस पैरेलल टू दिस एंड ऑल साइड्स इक्वल. ऑल साइड्स इक्वल, दैट मीन्स दिस इक्वल टू दिस इक्वल टू दिस इक्वल टू दिस, ऑल साइड्स इक्वल. सो इट इज ऑल्सो रोम्बस. Did you understand?
yes, sir,
Next, square. What is a square? The definition of a square starts from rectangle. If you know the rectangle, you can define a square. This. So what is a square? A rectangle having a rectangle having all sides equal, a rectangle having all sides equal is called a square. So according to this definition, we have to make a rectangle. एक ऐसा रेक्टेंगल बनाए हम, एक ऐसा रेक्टेंगल बनाए जिसका ऑल साइड इक्वल हो. तो क्या मैंने जो ये रेक्टेंगल बनाया इसका ऑल साइड इक्वल है? हमने एक रेक्टेंगल बनाया जिसका ऑल साइड इक्वल है? नहीं, ऑल साइड इक्वल नहीं, तो ये रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. ऐसा रेक्टेंगल बनाना है जिसका ऑल साइड क्या हो? इक्वल, लाइक दिस. ये भी रेक्टेंगल है लेकिन ऑल साइड इसका क्या हो गया? इक्वल हो गया. दैट मीन्स इट इज ए स्क्वायर. A rectangle having all sides equal is called a square. So it is a square. At last, it is kite. What is kite? Kite क्या होता है? Kite का definition हम quadrilateral से start करें. Quadrilateral starting. What is the quadrilateral? Can we define quadrilateral? In previous class.
Closed figure with 4 sides is called.
No. In class 8, we will define all
A
the.
polygon.
A polygon having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Yes. So a quadrilateral, ऐसा quadrilateral having two different pairs of equal sides. Having two different pairs of equal sides is called a kite. क्या मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ फिगर में देखिए, टू डिफरेंट पेयर्स, एक पेयर ये हो गया और दूसरा पेयर ये हो गया. टू डिफरेंट पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वल साइड. देखो पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वल साइड, पेयर है इक्वल साइड का पेयर, और ये भी जो पेयर है इक्वल साइड का, ये दोनों इक्वल है. दिस इक्वल टू दिस. इफ टू पेयर्स ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स, टू पेयर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट इक्वल साइड्स इज कॉल्ड काइट. इसको हम काइट बोलते हैं. काइट के कैटेगरी में एक ये भी आ गया रंबस. ये दोनों डिफरेंट पेयर हो या ना हो, बट दिस इक्वल टू दिस and this equal to this, it is also kite. So these are the types of quadrilateral. You must learn the definition, and now we are going to start property. So its property we will discuss in the next video. In this video only I have started. We have explained about the definition. So in the next video we will start its properties. So you will watch the next video. Okay, thank you.